Good morning everybody, how you doing? Hope everybody's well. Oh, there's some gypsy caravan over there. Must be coming back from the Appleby Horse Fair. I'm off to Gateshead in Newcastle to do my Mod 1 bike test. A little bit nervous, but I should be alright. So I'll catch you further along the road towards Hexham. I might film it from Hexham to Gateshead. Might not, or I might. Oh, hello birds, looking for scraps. Okay, I'll catch you further along. Hi everybody, I'm back. I just got to Hexham, and I was coming into Hexham and I thought there's something the matter with the bike. It seems to be going slow. And I checked the back tyre and I had a nail in it. I had a puncture, can you believe it? I knew something would go wrong today when I go for my test. Knew it. Nothing ever goes smoothly. Anyway, I'll record a bit going out of Hexham. We're in the market square. Right, hopefully nothing else goes wrong. That feels better. Yeah, I could feel something was strange. When I was coming into Hexham, I thought, why is my speed going down? And I thought, I bet you I've got a puncture. And I did. Bloody nail. Yeah, nice spot, Hexham. God, everybody's reversing out in front of me today. Struth. Just as well I left early. Now we've got a bin man truck. Just as well I've got a puncture repair kit on the bike. I'd have been right stuck. This is why I like tubeless tyres. Then we'll go towards Riding Mill instead of going on the A69. Oh, look at these poppies on the side of the road to my left. Wow. Loads of them. Flaming June and I've got heated gloves on. Ridiculous. Must be something to do with global warming. And I've got a jumper on. Got a t-shirt and a shirt and a jumper on. I wasn't going to put my jumper on, and I'm glad I did. Right, which is the quickest way? I suppose down there. Product Newcastle. Riding Mill. Got loads of time, I don't have to be there to 2:45. Well, I want to be there at 1:15 really. And it's just after 12 o'clock now, so I've got plenty of time. Can only do 40 miles an hour. Don't want to get pulled up by the cops, do we? If I pass the test today, I can take my old plates off. Thank God I brought my heated gloves with me. I didn't think I was going to need them. Oh, I just chucked them on the bike just in case. Oh, look at those big pencils sticking outside the school. Rather neat. I think I've gone the wrong way. Yeah. As long as we're going east. I think I should have gone up that other road. What's this sign say? Gateshead Fredder. Oh, I'm on the right road. I'm on the right road. I thought I'd gone the wrong way. Straight ahead. which way do I go? This way? I don't know. There's no bloody signpost. How am I supposed to know which way to go? There's no bloody signpost. I'll go this way. There's no bloody signpost. I can see rain over there. I might have to stop and put the waterproofs on. Yeah, it's raining. Newcastle Gateshead straight ahead. I don't want to get wet. I might pull over and put my rain jacket on. Find somewhere to stop. I might pull in here and put my rain jacket on. I don't want to get wet. There it goes, here comes the rain. Oh dear. Now which way do I go? I think I go down there past that garage. I think. Which way do I go now? straight ahead, I think. Oh no, I don't. Oh yeah, I am going the right way. I'm not used to big cities. I'm a country bumpkin. Gateshead straight ahead. Oh, I know where I am. Bloody hell, I'm here, Metro Centre. There's IKEA. So I want to turn off here. Well, that was quick, wasn't it? I gather I go down here. God, I've got here early. There's a big Metro Centre there. Right, we'll find the driving place so I know where to go. Then I might go to McDonald's and get myself a cheeseburger. Big place, the Metro Centre. I need to be in this lane, this other lane here. I turn off here somewhere. There's a turning to the right. Down here. I'm sure it's down here. Oh, look at that. Typical. Lemon lights. Yeah, I'm sure I have to go down there. Yeah, when I went to Preston, what a complete disaster that was. I was soaking wet, got there 20 minutes late. I must have hit every red light all the way there. There was roadworks, potholes. It was like hell on earth. Right, it's down here somewhere. I gather we go this way. I'm trying to do it by memory. Might have to look at Google Maps. I wonder if it's... I might have to look at Google Maps. Unless it's down here. There's a learner. What's this? A1 Motorcycle Training School. I'm here. Reception. Here we are. Is this it? How the hell do I get over there? Round here?